Welcome to another one of these where we laugh at memes and assign them a random value. This time, PossiblyAxolotl is here with us. So, what are you? Who are you?
I'm me.
Alright, so you know both Godot and Unity, right?
I've used Unity a little bit, but mostly Godot.
Alright, cool. So he's gonna be our impartial judge. So are you ready?
Yep.
Pina collider.
That one showed up on Twitter the other day. Laughed a lot harder than I should have at it. It's good because it's a general game dev one. Anyone who makes games or even people who don't just know. Yep.
Yeah, exactly. It's almost like you know what's coming next. What do you rate this?
Because it's one anyone can get. It gets a 72.
I'm gonna give it 42 out of 0. Have you seen this startup? It has always annoyed me.
I've seen that. I didn't notice that before, but now if I ever watch Unity, it's gonna be right there. Thanks, I hate it.
I receive Control S, you receive hold on. I think this one is pretty relatable for me, a Unity user, especially when you have a lot of code and don't use assembly definition. Does it happen to you in Godot?
Well, usually it doesn't happen for that long, like few milliseconds, I don't know.
Wait.
Like if you're importing a new project, it doesn't usually take that long.
I'm not sure I believe you.
You could try it.
We'll see. Oh, I like this one. It says Unity and Blender got me, and I think Godot fits since it's like Godot, but Unity and Blender are clearly superior.
I'm not so sure about that.
So what do you rate the Unity memes now?
Pretty good. I'll give them a 17 out of 18.
It's really audacious of you. I would totally give them 18 out of 18. Come on.
If you want, I'll give it a 17.5.
I accept that. I really like that one. When are you gonna do yours?
Probably gonna learn a bit more Unity, and then I'll just go back to Godot and make one of these videos.
Yeah, can't wait for it. Very hype.
Need everyone to like spam me on Discord a bunch of game engines so that I can keep making those videos, get all of the YouTube money.
This one, I don't really get. Please explain it to me.
It's got icon.png, everyone's favorite image.
Oh, is that like the placeholder thing for Godot?
Yeah, because like when you're testing something or you make something new, you'd use icon.png because it's right there.
Okay, yeah, I get it now. This one is not really a meme, but it says that it's based on the work you do, but I think it's more based on the new Unity logo. What do you think?
It kind of reminds me of the GameCube logo and also the game Edge, where you're like a cube and you roll around.
Unity and GameCube, it's the same thing, you know?
Yeah.
Godot deserves a nice logo to fit the new Unity logo.
One thing that I did see a lot of a bit was like people messing with the Godot logo and making their own images with it, so much so that another Reddit came out of it.
Okay, so how would you rate Godot memes? I don't think they deserve...
As a Godot user, I would rate
I wouldn't rate Godot memes very high, you know. There's not a lot of Godot memes.
Yeah,
I think they need to ramp up their humor.
Yeah, you don't see a lot of like memes and stuff on the Reddit, but I know what might change your thoughts on this. If you check your DMs, I conveniently sent you some that I've made.
Oh, Unity user. Wow, this new input system is so weird. Wow, I have to convert my games over. Wait. Godot users, please confirm. Press a key. Wait. Is it that easy in Godot?
It is, yeah.
But
Get it.
Does it work with controllers and stuff?
Yeah, it's how I mapped a guitar in the game engine.
Yeah, I saw that on Twitter. Is that a future video or something you're gonna make?
Yep.
Cool. What would you give the Godot memes though?
I'd give them a solid, like, 10 out of 1.
Okay, yeah. I'm so confused. I don't know what to give it. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a 0 out of 0. Undefined.
That's fair.
Also, what's this? Friendship ended with the animation player. Now Twin is my best friend. So animation player is basically the Unity animator and animations.
Yeah, only I think the Godot animation player is more powerful because you can keyframe literally any value.
Before, using animation in the UI was very bad for the performance, but now it's better. So I think
in general is not the best for lower end PCs.
Yeah. But I know what we have in common. Do you know much about Unreal?
I tried it when I was like first starting on game development and then immediately decided it's way too complicated. Like everyone starts out trying to use Unreal or something. So they think, oh, I'm gonna make the best looking game ever.
Actually, I had a similar arc. I didn't start with Unreal, but when I did try Unreal, I gave up. Posted in 2015 and 0 replies. This one I don't think is really relatable because, you know, as a Unity developer, we have better standards.
Well, I mean, this is kind of like just general modern Stack Overflow now.
Yeah, true, but who uses Stack Overflow when you're a Unity developer?
For Godot, most people just use like the Reddit.
But I've seen that it's really hard to find memes on the Godot Reddit.
Yeah, everyone's like too serious.
Yeah, it's a fact.
No funnies around.
Yeah, this one, I don't totally get it, but I kind of get it, you know? Unlit,
Yeah.
lit. We all kind of get it.
Yeah, like in Godot we only get unshaded and shaded. This one's way cooler.
Oh no, not this one. Could we be living in a simulation? These Unreal Engine 5 physics are insane.
We have the most realistic game engine like ever, Unreal, and then that's what people are gonna use it for.
Yeah, have you seen the MetaHumans?
Kind of.
Talking about MetaHumans, yeah, I mean, I can't deny this.
Yeah, it's just like he's lifting the hair off, even though normally it was like he's placing it on. It just really perfectly works like that. And even the fourth one looks like he's just wiping off the makeup.
Yeah, oh, it's like the crab maker.
Yeah, the crab maker.
Yeah, it's totally not in reverse.
Yeah, it's just creating crabs.
Yeah,
That
reading
easy.
crabs 24/7.
Yep.
So, what do you rate Unreal memes?
Well, I don't entirely get them, but anything making fun of Unreal gets a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, you know, it's the meme, it's not the engine itself. I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10 as well. Yeah, that's all the meme we got. If you want to see more about PossiblyAxolotl, go check his channel and maybe subscribe.
And subscribe to Jirushi.
Oh, thank you.